Mga kasernation at mga kabombo, samantala mayroon po tayong mga panauhin na ngayong umaga mula po sa Philippine Military Academy. Mga kasernation, samahan po natin silang makilala at alamin kung ano ba ang sadya nila sa ating programa. Ayan, magandang umaga po at maligayang pagdating po sa 93.7 Star FM Cotabato, ang music station po ng Bombo Radio Philippines dito po sa Lungsod. Ayan, good morning, sir.
Good morning po sa ating lahat. Mapia Mapita sa Lukanulangun. And excited po kaming lahat. Kasama ko po si Captain Wilbert Giuseppe Aldegosan Corps Professors. Kasama ko po si Technical Sergeant Bompat, Technical Sergeant Kudli, and Staff Sergeant Dolor ng Philippine Military Academy. Narito po kami to aspire ang ating mga kabataang Pilipino to serve our country and become future leaders of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Ito po ay ang Philippine Military Academy, the country's premier military school. Ano nga ba ang Philippine Military Academy? Ang Philippine Military Academy ay na-establish noong 1898 ni General Emilio Aguinaldo, which is the training ground for future officers of the Army, Navy, and Air Force. Ito po ay located sa Fort General Gregorio del Pilar in Baguio City, and a place where discipline, leadership, and patriotism are molded into the country's next generation of military leaders. In PMA, we offer a comprehensive curriculum, the Bachelor of Science in Management major in Security Studies. This program equips cadets with management skills and in-depth knowledge in security, preparing them to lead in modern warfare and military strategy. So ano nga ba yung goal namin sa PMA? Ito ay to develop leaders of character, those who uphold the warrior ethos, communicate effectively, and support national development. Ano nga ba yung naghihintay na buhay para sa ating mga future leaders sa PMA? Life at PMA is rigorous and disciplines. They live in military lifestyle, lalo na sa mga barracks. They follow a strict daily routine and participate in military drills, physical training, and of course, academic classes gaya ng iba pang mga educational institution. It demands resilience, intelligence, and patriotism, but for those who endure, it's an incredibly honorable journey, one that transforms young Filipinos into leaders and defenders of the nation. At what are the benefits? PMA cadets enjoy free education, uniforms, board and lodging, and medical care. They also receive salaries and allowances. After graduation, they are guaranteed a career as officers in the Armed Forces of the Philippines, starting as second lieutenants, with opportunities to study abroad and participate in exchange programs. How about eligibility? Our applicants must be Filipino citizens aged 17 to 22 years old, at least 5 feet tall, of good moral character, and physically and mentally fit. Prospective cadets take the PMA entrance examination, which covers math, English, and abstract reasoning. And pag sila ay nagtagumpay sa kanilang examination, sila ay mag-undergo ng complete physical exam and an interview. And sa atin pong mga kabataang Pilipino, it's not just about academics. PMA is about character, leadership, and dedication to service. So, if you have the passion, discipline, determination, and resilience to serve the country, then PMA is for you. For more information regarding our conduct of entrance examination, just visit www.pma.edu.ph. And of course, ang aming schedule dito sa Cotabato City as our testing center will be on July 25 to 26, Saturday and Sunday, sa 6ID Philippine Army Gymnasium sa Camp Shongko. So see you there.
Ayan mga kasernation at mga kabombo, si Captain Wilbert Giuseppe L. de Guzman po, ang Prof. IC ng Cotabato City Proctors team ng PMA Entrance Examination. Ayan, maraming salamat sir din sa pagdalaw po dito sa amin at maanyayahan yung mga kasranisun po natin na gusto pong mag-enroll po dito, no, sa PMA, sir?
Yes, ma'am, yan. Thank you very much, ano. Muli po, inaanyayahan namin ang ating mga kabataang Pilipino mula dito sa Cotabato City at ang mga malapit pang mga kalapit bayan dito, no, to take the PMA entrance examination on July 25 to 26 sa 6ID Philippine Army Gymnasium.
Yes. Thank you so much po, sir.